Lesson 7. Introduction to Scratch. Scratch is one of the easiest computer languages. It allows you to create interactive stories, animations, and games. It provides a graphical environment which makes it easy and interesting to use. In Scratch, we simply connect different blocks of code to build the entire program. How to start Scratch? To open Scratch in Windows 10, follow these steps. Step 1. Click in the Type here to search text box at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Type Scratch in the text box. A list of applications appears. Click Scratch Desktop. The Scratch Desktop offline editor window appears. Components of Scratch window. The Scratch window has many components as shown in the figure below. Let us learn about some of the important components of the Scratch window. Title bar. It is present at the top of the Scratch window. It displays the name of the program. Menu bar. It is present below the title bar. It contains menus that provide options to create, save, open or close a project, undo some previous action, get tips, etc. Stage. It is the main working area where you can see whatever you create, stories, animations or games. It is divided into X, Y coordinates. Sprite. It is a small graphic character that performs actions on the stage. Scratch provides a number of built-in sprites. The default sprite of Scratch is a cat, Scratch mascot, which you can see in the middle of the stage. Full screen control. This button is present at the top right corner of the stage. You can click this button to view the Scratch project in full screen mode. Sprites area. It is the thumbnails, name and picture of the sprites used in a project. Blocks palette. It displays the sets of blocks present under the current block category. You can use these blocks to program the sprite. To create a project, you need to drag the desired blocks from the blocks palette to the script area. The blocks get connected to each other just like a jigsaw puzzle. Script area. It is the place where you drop the blocks dragged from the blocks palette. You can also create a stack or collection of blocks that are interlocked with one another and give it to the sprite to perform a specific task in a project. This interlocking of blocks creates a script. Green flag. When you click this button, the blocks placed in the script area start running step by step. Stop button. This button is located next to the green flag button. You can click this button to stop the project at any time during the execution. Creating scripts using different blocks. A script in Scratch can be created by simply dragging the desired blocks from the blocks palette into the scripts area. You can place the blocks on each other to create a stack of blocks. For this, drag a block from the blocks palette and snap it to the one already in the script area. When you do so, a gray highlight below the previous blocks already inside the script area indicates the valid position where you can place your blocks on each other. The instructions on the blocks in the stack create a script or a program. To remove a block from the script area, simply right-click on the desired block and select the Delete Block option from the shortcut menu that appears. Let us learn to create some simple scripts in Scratch using the different blocks in the blocks palette. Motion block. The motion block includes instructions, blocks that control the movement of sprite on the stage. The motions blocks are given in blue color. Let us first know about some of the commonly used motion blocks. Motion block description. This block moves the sprite forward by specified number of steps. In case you want to move the sprite in backward direction, put a minus sign before the number. This block rotates the sprite in right direction by the specified degrees. This block rotates the sprite in the left direction by the specified degrees. Pen block. In Scratch, a sprite has a pen to draw figures on the stage. The pen block allows you to change the behavior of the sprite's pen. The pen blocks are given in green color. In Scratch 3.0, the pen blocks have been moved to an extension. To make the pen block visible, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the Add Extension button on the bottom left corner of the window. The Choose an Extension window appears. Step 2. Click on the pen box. The pen block will be added. Some of the blocks on the pen block are listed in the following table. Pen block. Description. This block erases all the pen marks from the stage. This block creates a duplicate copy of the sprite. This block puts the sprite's pen down so that it starts drawing on the stage. This block lifts the sprite's pen up so it will not draw anything as the sprite moves. This block sets the pen color. You can choose any color from Color box. This block changes the pen color by a specified value. This block sets the thickness of the sprite's pen. This block changes the thickness of the sprite's pen by a specified value. Saving a Scratch project. Once you have created the Scratch project, you can save it for future reference. To save the project, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the File button on the menu bar. Click the Save to your computer option from the submenu that appears. The Save as dialog box appears. Step 2. Choose the desired location in the file and enter the name of the file in the File Name text box. Step 3. Click the Save button. Opening a saved project. To open the saved project, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the File button on the menu bar and click the Load from your computer option from the submenu that appears. The Open Project dialog box appears. Step 2. Choose the desired file and click the Open button. Quick recap. A set of instructions given to the computer is called a program. Every program is written using a programming language. Scratch is a simple programming language specifically used for educational purposes. It allows you to create interactive stories, animations, and games. The Scratch window has many components such as title bar, menu bar, stage, sprite, sprites area, blocks menu, script area, and blocks palette. The stage is the main working area where you can see whatever you create, stories, animations, or games. Sprite is a small graphic character that performs actions on the stage. Sprites area displays the thumbnails, name and picture of the sprites used in a project. Script area is the place where you drop the blocks dragged from the blocks palette.